2006 GMC Sierra water pump removal. This is a 4.7, but the 5.3 and the 6.0s are the same thing as long as they have the electric fans. Remove the engine top cover and the air intake. They are held on by 8mm bolts. Now remove the belt. You will need a 15mm wrench on that pulley. Remove the idler pulley and the tensioner pulley assembly. Long 15mm sockets will be needed. Now place a pan underneath the engine and remove this hose in order to remove the coolant from the system. If you are just removing the thermostat, there are two 10mm bolts on this. Take them off and your thermostat will come out. I removed the remaining 3 hoses, this one and the 2 heater lines down here. Once the hoses are removed, there are 3 10mm bolts on this side and 3 on this side, and the water pump will come out. Make sure to remove the existing gaskets and clean off the gasket surface before installing new water pump. Install everything in the reverse order.